In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play Cubecraft on Hytale, so if you find the video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like it. Just a quick reminder that you can use the creator code Academy on the Hytale store if you want to support the channel. So Cubecraft, the OG Minecraft server, has just released their own Hytale server, and it's one of the best servers right now. So if you want to play it, just open Hytale and go to servers, then click on add server, and now the connection address, which is the IP, is hytale.cubecraft.net. Then we can put any name we want, for example Cubecraft, and click add server. Now you will have the server right here. As you can see, I have some other servers here as well, and to play it, just double click it and you will spawn on this lobby right here. So right now we have 3 minigames, but there will be adding much more soon. So you have like PvP duels, which are arena 1v1, so you can play against your friends. Then they also have like a faction survival server here. And they also have the Pillars of Fortune minigame, which is this one. You have probably seen it somewhere else. And if you want to play any minigame, you just need to go to a portal like this. It will take a few seconds to load, and you will be teleported to that specific minigame. So in my case, I want to play the Arena PvP. So if you go to that portal, you will begin the matchmaking and you will join a random game. So just go to the portal and now you can PvP your friends. So that's it. That's how you can play Cubecraft and join a minigame. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.